Mr. Bobby Farley, who's also present. Mr. Farley, please state your name for the record.
Bobby Farley, Your Honor.
Today's date time set for examining this matter. Are we ready to proceed?
Yes, Judge, the complainant is present.
Your Honor, Mr. Farley would like to waive this exam.
Okay. Just as before, sir, please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. You understand you have a statutory right to have a preliminary examination.
Yes, Your Honor.
Waiving the same, that means you won't have one. You'll be bound over to Wayne County Third Circuit Court as you stand charged. Put your hand up. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand the nature and the purpose of the preliminary examination?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand if you were to have one, the prosecution will have to establish that the crime you're charged with is committed in the city of Detroit. Possible cause to be committed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is anyone forcing you to waive your right?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you?
No.
Are you waiving your right freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Any objection from the people?
No objection, Your Honor.
The court finds defendant's waivers made knowingly and voluntarily freely given. The court finds the defendant over to Wayne County Third Circuit Court Criminal Division for further proceedings. His arraignment on the information date and time will be March 31st, 2023 at 9:00 a.m. Following the continue.
Your Honor, I would like to address them.
Okay.
So Your Honor, the first case, the date of incident, is February 17th of this year, 2023. So Mr. Farley was, of course, told not to have any contact with the complainant as a condition of bond. And then, after that, we have the second case, which is the witness bribing, intimidation, interfering, and malicious use of the telecommunications device. That incident,
You gotta say the sign white there.
the date of that incident is February 23rd. So that was approximately a week after he was already arraigned on the first. So one would think after all that the contact was stopped between Mr. Farley and the complainant, but it has not. There has been continued contact. I received multiple emails from the complainant last night indicating he had been calling her last night and texting her. I received emails today, this morning, that he continued to call her and text her even this morning. So, Your Honor, Mr. Farley has no intention of obeying the order of not contacting the complainant. She's here in court, she can answer questions or testify to this, but I'm asking that his bond be revoked or that his bond be given a high cash bond because nothing is stopping him from having contact with him.
Ms. Phelps?
Your Honor, we would ask for the bond to remain how it is. He is on house arrest with a GPS tether.
But that's not stopping him from contacting the complainant allegedly.
Right, Judge, the allegations are that there's been phone contact, there's no assaultive allegations at all.
But no contact means no contact, period.
I understand, Judge. My only point is just that they're mere allegations at this point. And Your Honor, so we would ask for the bond to remain the same. And again, they're allegations. They're we received some screenshots of missed calls from an unknown caller. From numbers that don't belong to Mr. Farley. Your Honor, we're just asking for the bond to remain the same. Mr. Farley does take his bond conditions seriously and certainly will do so or continue to do so, and he understands the consequences of violating his bond. So we're asking for him.
May I voir dire your client?
Your Honor, I mean,
It's okay if you tell me.
okay, Your Honor, I mean, I'm expressing to you that he does understand the consequences of violating his bond conditions and will not do so.
I hear you saying that, but I hear the complete opposite. Let's have the complainant step in.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Please step forward. Tell me your name and spell it for me.
Lashane McFadden, LASHAEMCFADDEN.
And Ms. McFadden, you are the complaining witness in this case against Mr. Farley, is that right?
Yes,
It's been brought to the court's attention that you have been contacted. When was the last time you were contacted?
today, on the way to court,
What time was that?
12:43,
How were you contacted?
via telephone.
You
I'm walking into the building.
were contacted by the defendant?
Yes,
How do you know it was him?
I saw him.
Also, this was in person.
Yes, today.
And you received a phone call today too?
Yes,
When he called your name, what happened?
I saw that it was him and proceeded into the courthouse.
I see. What happened when he called?
I recorded it. It was from the Wayne County Prosecutor Office. And he was using a voiceover or something. Then after I confronted him, said, Bobby, this is not the prosecutor office. He then called no caller ID, asking me if I was coming for it.
Go ahead.
Okay, so let me understand the first thing you said. You said you called with,
The Wayne County Prosecutor number.
oh, how you can use another number.
Yes,
I see. And you say you recorded this?
yes.
And you can hear. When you answered that phone, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And, how did, was there somebody on your line? I mean, when you answered the phone, who was it that talked to you? Okay, and, did he identify himself in any way?
Now, after I said, Bobby, the prosecutor office is not gonna call back to back to back, he hung up the phone. And then I got a call from no caller ID, and it was Bobby with his regular voice.
You recognize the voice?
Yes, asking me if I was coming for today.
Yeah, didn't he say, this is the name of the prosecutor's
Yes.
office? He said, I'm the name of the prosecutor's office, but it was always this guy, so.
Right, Your Honor, the first call they're referring to, I did receive that. It does have a number that does not belong to Mr. Farley. It does have a disguised voice. Again, we don't know that this is from Mr. Farley. Your
Who
Honor,
else will be interested as to whether or not she's coming to court?
Your Honor, again, our position is that this is Mr. Farley.
Unfortunately for your client, I believe her. When I say no contact, I mean no contact, and I'm consistent with what I do when someone violates this court's order. So in he goes.
Your Honor, can I speak?
Now he wants to talk to you.
I was trying to talk to you. May I speak, Your Honor?
You have to ask your lawyer.
Can I speak?
Okay.
Your Honor, I'm currently on $100,000 bond with house arrest. I don't own no cell phone whatsoever.
I find that hard to believe. You don't have a cell phone?
No, the only cell phone I had was Miss McFadden. She's my daughter's mother, and
So you didn't contact her?
she
You
got
didn't call her?
she got that phone. She pays the phone
It's a
bill.
very simple question. Did you
No.
call her?
No,
You didn't try to get her attention as she came to the court
the
today?
only attention that was made, her and my mom is good friends, and they nurses. Her and my mom is nurses. She brought my daughter over to my mom's and picked them up.
I'm talking about today here in court. Did you?
No, I was
You didn't
here,
say
I
anything
was
to
here at 8:30. I thought I had court at 8:30 today. I was here, I don't have no cell phone to be in contact. The only cell phone in that house is my mom.
No, she's talking about you called her as she was walking into, you called her not on the phone, but you called for her, or called to her as she was walking in the courthouse. That didn't happen to me.
No, her friend that she's here with, he talked to me. He should be here. He here now. He talked to me because I guess it's a problem. And he told me like, look, he was talking to me outside about her. I did not make no contact with her. His cameras in this building. His cameras in this building. I didn't make no contact with her. He stopped me outside. He stopped me outside. I never made, you could rewind the cameras back.
I agree with him. You can rewind the cameras back. Bobby definitely stepped off the side of the building, called for my name, asked me, what am I doing? Even inside the building, Bobby came up to me and he asked me, why am I doing this? Business is about to start happening for me. So I agree with Mr. Farley. You can run the cameras back and you will see him calling me. I also have.
Was everybody around when he called for you?
It was some officers standing in their position, but also my supporter, Kobe Frederick, was there. And that's
Your
what
Honor.
he has a problem with Kobe.
These officers that you saw, did they have on white shirts or blue
Black.
shirts?
They have black uniforms with a red name tag.
Your Honor, Kobe Frederick, who she spoke with, that's who I was talking to, because he has a problem with me, because he used to date her for 6 years, and it's a lot of jealousy, because me and her have a kid, and he has a problem with me. So he was talking to me and trying to fight me downstairs today, said, look, let's go in the bathroom, talk. I was going straight forward, because I'm supposed to have no
What's his
contact with
name?
him.
Kobe what?
Kobe Frederick.
This is how Mr. Frederick said.
And Your Honor, if I may, one of the phone calls yesterday, she reported it, it's her voice, I can tell it's his voice, and she says, I
So
know.
you didn't call her yesterday either.
Sir, I never made no contact.
But you have that phone
He said,
call?
I'm on house arrest. It's like he's hungry, he can't leave the house with me, but I'm house arrest. And today, one of the phone calls, one of the messages, or one of the phone calls stated, are you recording my calls? Because when she sent them to me, I sent them to the defense counsel, and she had to talk to me about it. What are you saying? Are you recording my calls? That's just today.
Your Honor, you could hear my voice and you could hear whatever recording on there.
Yep.
And you could see if that
Where
sounded.
are the recordings?
I have on my.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Kobe Frederick.
Please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Frederick, as you came to court today, did anything unusual happen? If you walking in that relates to the defendant?
He was walking in behind us. On the way here, he was calling the phone constantly, like, from different numbers over and over. No caller ID, Wayne County, some other number, but it would sound like a different voice, but the conversation was what he wanted to talk about. So when he called back, no caller ID, it was him again. And then he just walked up behind us and he wanted to talk to me on the outside. So I had to talk with him. Outside, and he was trying to convince me to walk out of here. I was trying to give me the lead, like get her to leave, like tell her to leave. I'm like, I don't got nothing to do with it. Like, you done did all what you gonna do, that's totally up to her decision.
Is that true, sir?
That's not true. Kobe, what they're not telling you, Your Honor, is they planned, like this, all this is staged. They planned it. I don't even know if this ankle monitor right now is recorded, but this is staged for me to stay in Wayne County Jail because I was getting cheated on in a relationship with Kobe and it's recordings on how he coercing her, like, yeah, this is what we gonna do. We're gonna press charges on him. We're gonna keep him locked up. It's recordings from a camera in her phone that's in my
So I
property.
shouldn't hear this phone call, it shouldn't be your voice, right?
Listen to my voice, Your Honor.
I hear it.
If you hear my voice, I'm not disguised, I'm not doing nothing. If you hear that,
Okay, I'm about to listen. Sounds just like you, sir.
Listen to me now. I'm not, I got a deep distinction. I'm not disguising.
That's you. It's not even close. Now I'm ticked off that you done wasted my time with this BS. Instead of telling the truth and coming clean. Goodbye. Have a good weekend.
Can I hold my preliminary exam then? I'm not signing no waiver.
You don't, I don't care.
I'm not signing no waiver.
Don't matter. You're still going back. Remand.
Shay, she just brought my daughter to the house.
You talk to him about
Shay, am I trying to hurt you, Shay?
Come on, man.
Like literally, am I trying to hurt you, Shay?
Come on.
Huh?
Mr. Farley. please.
Literally, am I trying to hurt you, Shay? You just came to my mama's house. Literally. Like Shay, you,
Come on.
like literally, really?
Come on.
Like, am I trying to hurt you? Like, tell these people the truth. Like, Mr. King, wait.
Come on, man.
Literally. Yeah, I'm not trying to fight. I'm not trying to talk. I'm trying to talk. See, they lying. Mr. King, can you hear my voice again? He asked him, please listen to the second recording. Like, literally, ask him, please listen to the second recording, man.
May I approach Judge?
Yes.
Mr. King! Mr. King, wait, man. Please, Mr. King, please. I'm about to go. I'm about to go to charge. Come on, man.
Ain't gonna be nothing.
Hey, man. Listen, this is my guy. They framing me. Mr. King.
Look, man.
I'm not trying to, I'm sorry, sir. I'm not trying to. Oh, here. Bro, they framing me.
Have a good weekend.
I ain't signing no paper, right?
Remand.
They framing me, literally.
Your Honor, give him the remand.
Sir, I'm gonna
The
take you.
UID.
Mr. King, Judge.
So it's gonna be.
I'm not trying to.
Thank you.
Until I want to hold my preliminary exam. Can I hold my preliminary exam? Can I hold my, Judge?
Come on, take it down.
Calm down.
Can I see if property wants to
Yeah.
take his mom?
Yeah, you talk on.
You heard that, did that sound like?
Hold on, this lawyer want to see if he got any property inspection. What they found.
No, that's.
Take a breath, take a breath.
Did that, man,
Man, calm down.
Man, no, they frame me. No, man, this judge so strict, and he don't, that sound like, man, if I didn't speak, he was gonna send me to jail. Like, come on, man, like, I don't wanna sign no waiver, I wanna hold my preliminary exam, what is here? When was next court date?
It's gonna be next.
No, I'm just saying, like, come on, we get a few talk about that, if we make a preliminary. We want to do that. Come on. It just gets to the point, like,
I'll look into it, I don't think it's possible, but I will.
like, just look, what, 2, 3 different. Showing, I'm being framed, different numbers, I'm on house arrest. different number. She ain't saying that she just brought my daughter to my mama house.
Okay,
Like,
look, when we do the AOI or injury report, the judge there, you know, they don't consider the bond account. They, again, there was nothing assault, just this concept. We'll try on your bond again for now. He's not changing his mind now. I'm gonna do what I can to see if we can get a prelim again. I don't think that's possible, but I will get into that.
Please,
more.
I'm not signing no paper. Please, can you see that?
Yeah.
Come on, right now.
No, he gone.
He's still back there, he's going down, he's still down.
You like how you guys handle You can only play with the hand you dealt with, Ms. Phillips. With the hand you dealt.
All right, well, you guys have a good weekend.
All right, so-
You too.
Yeah, he gonna tell one lie after another.
Man, that was close. That sounded exactly.
Right.
Exactly.
Right. So one lie after another.
Lie to the very bitter end.
How you expect what's Mike believe? I guess if you believe, you think somebody else gonna believe
I'm
that.
being trained.
Oh, man.
All right, so we got. It was a pleasure, Judge King.
Pleasure's mine.
All
That
right.
means you gonna be with me next week?
No,
Ooh,
no.
you was just starting to have fun.
I know, you're just getting it on ground.
Yeah, I like to do that. That was good.
All right, y'all have a good weekend.
All right, you too. Be safe now.
Good.